How to copy and paste in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste in Figma. In order to do so, first of all open your Figma application on your device. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here you can open your recent designs or open a new one by clicking on the create button at the top right. Here I'm going to select my previous design. Simply double click on your design in order to open it. Now once you open it, wait until the interface loads. Now here you will need to locate the object that you would like to copy and paste. Once you locate it, simply right click on it and then a menu will appear. From here now you will need to select copy option. Once after clicking on it, now click on anywhere on your screen where you'd like to paste it. Simply right click on it and then click on paste here option. By doing so, you will see you have copied and pasted this object. You can copy these objects within the same page or across different pages or even between different files. You can simply click and hold this picture and then press on the Alt key of your keyboard and then slide it to the next side. This will also help you to duplicate or copy paste your object. You can also copy the object as PNG or other formats. For that, you will need to first right click on it and then select copy paste as option, and from here select one of these options. If you'd like to copy as PNG, simply select this option. Now click on anywhere on your canvas and then click on paste here. By doing so, you will be able to copy it as PNG. So by following these steps, you should be able to copy and paste in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.